REALME C53. And this is a charging champion. Mabilis siya mag-charge. Like 33 watts fast charging, completely charging your phone so fast, hindi niyo maramdaman. Also in design, pang-champion din. The color I have here is called Champion Gold. It's very beautiful and sexy. 33 watts, super VOOC charge yung pinakawa nilang specs dito sa likod. Tapos meron daw siyang 5,000 mAh of battery, massive. 50MP AI camera. 90Hz refresh rate display na 6.74 inch. Slim body, 7.49 ultra slim. At meron pa na siyang powerful octa-core chipset. Ano kaya yun? And the unit I have here is 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. Meron pa siyang dalawang color, Champion Gold and Mighty Black. By the way, the camera in the back is 50 megapixel plus a 0.8 megapixel secondary camera. So we have here the LED flash. Hindi po yan lens, guys. Flash po yan. But yes, pinrovide na siya ni REALME. Display, it's a 720p HD plus 90Hz refresh rate display. So when you're using this, mabilis po siya. Very smooth. Sa social media, napaka-smooth po niya tingnan. Ito po, Facebook, smooth movement. Ito na po yung uso ngayon, no? Yung mga smooth displays. The processor is a Unisoc Tiger T612 DN22 benchmark 254,000 points. Pretty nice na yan. Bongga. Kaya palang bilis. And I love the new REALME UI T. Android 13 na po to. Very sleek you know? Yung mga bagong icons, may mga it's an all new REALME UI look. But yes, dewdrop notch pa rin yung gamit niya dito. Kaya lang napansin ko, guys, yung kanyang display ay medyo sagad, no? Manipis yung bezel sa sides, except for the bottom part. Pero napakanipis po niya tingnan. YouTube looks really nice. Meron pa siyang HDR, although syempre hindi to gagana, guys. Wala po siyang HDR10 plus capabilities. Pero yun, 720p 60 frames per second yung kanyang max dito sa YouTube. And the display looks quite nice. Very sharp when playing YouTube. Ang ganda ng details. Look at that. Even though 720p display siya, napaka-sharp, napaka-detailed po tingnan ng video. When I played Mobile Legends, smooth po siya. Masusuportahan niyo po ang inyong boyfriend. Kung Angela user po kayo, mag-shine po si Angela dito. Napakaganda ng graphics. That powerful Unisoc T612 octa-core processor is doing its magic right here. Bagay na bagay siya when you're playing the game like this. You know, sparkle din. High refresh rate and high graphics. Not grayed out po yung ultra graphics niya, but feeling ko, in the future, baka ma-optimize siya. It can go ultra graphics. But yes, no problems, no lags, no frame drops when playing Mobile Legends on this phone. Call of Duty, okay din siya, no? Medium graphics, high frame rates. Overall, my gaming experience was pretty smooth. Pero napansin ko pagka masyadong maraming nangyayari sa screen. A lot of things going on. Like merong smoke grenade, plus marami pang character sa screen. Doon siya medyo nag-frame drops na konti lang. But overall, 98% of the time, it was very smooth in my opinion. Again, kung meron ka kaduo, this is perfect for you as well. Next is, ang sabi ko baka hindi na to kaya yung Genshin Impact, pero what the heck, why not? Mabilis naman siya, meron siya 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. We try it out. And just like any 200,000 point Antutu benchmark phone, the results were pretty decent, no? So low graphics, ito ba yung tsura niya? Pero nakita nyo, guys, hindi po siya consistent na it can go below 30. Pero kapag may mga boss fight, mga ganon. Too much animation, too much switching of characters on the screen, lalo na kapag may combo. Pero yun, pinapakita lang namin sa inyo na pwede siyang laruin dito sa phone na to. Ito kasi yung kanyang main selling point talaga, which is yung kanyang fast charging capabilities. Guys, meron po siyang 33 watts of fast charging. Bihira po yan sa phone under 10K. Base kay REALME, kaya niya mag-charge from 0 to 50% in just 31 minutes and 0 to 100% in just 88 minutes. Now that is fast.